If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue with your Santander account, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check transfer details. Ensure that all of the details of the transfer are correct, including the recipient's account number, routing number, and the amount. Any errors can cause delays. Step 2. Verify account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Check if you have exceeded any daily or monthly transfer limits set by Santander. If you have, you may need to wait until the limit resets or contact customer service for assistance. Step 4. Contact customer service. If the transfer is still pending after verifying the details, account balance, and limits, reach out to Santander's customer service. They can provide specific information about the status of your transfer. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers may take longer due to processing times. If everything appears correct, give it some time, as transfers can take a few hours to a couple of days to complete. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, consider visiting a local branch for further assistance.